Your home can look perfectly clean and still have polluted air. Because indoors, CO2, smoke, odors, pollen, and pet allergens can build up unnoticed, turning your home into a place that feels stuffy instead of fresh. Meet Cozeware FreshFlow, a smarter way to bring fresh, filtered air into your home right through your window. Designed for standard double-hung windows, FreshFlow installs neatly without drilling, tools, or permanent changes. It draws in outdoor air, filters, and fills the home with fresh air, removing smoke, odors, pollen, and pet allergens. So whether you're a renter, living in an apartment, or simply want better indoor air, FreshFlow makes fresh air easier, while you stay in control. Monitor your CO2 levels and adjust airflow directly from your phone. At just 35 decibels, FreshFlow operates quietly, day or night, so the air gets fresher without the noise. No complicated installation, no bulky equipment, just fresh, filtered air. Cozeware FreshFlow. Close the window, open the air.